Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today the recipe is going to be one of the healthiest and yummiest and very easy salad recipe, which is a sprout salad. This doesn't require any kind of cooking. All you need is very simple few ingredients. Let me take you through the ingredients and the process how to make a sprout salad. These are the few ingredients you need to make a sprout salad. Here I have 1 cup of whole Moong sprout. This I have made it at home, and very soon I will be showing you in my next video how to make a sprouts at home. If you don't have sprouts at home, or if you have not made the sprouts at home, you can just use the store-bought ones. Chopped vegetables. Here I have 1 medium-sized onion, which I have chopped them into a bite-sized pieces, 1 large tomato, handful of chopped coriander leaves, and 1 cup of chopped cucumber. Everything should be in a bite-sized pieces. Don't keep the pieces very big. Keep them into a bite-sized pieces. And here I have 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, and to give a chatkara taste, what we usually Indian likes, I have here 1 teaspoon of chaat masala and salt to taste. Now let's assemble all this together to make a healthy, yummy sprout salad. Into a large mixing bowl, I will add our sprouts. Now I will add all our chopped veggies and give it a quick mix. Now I will add chaat masala. Onto that I will add lemon juice. You be very careful for the salt, because chaat masala also contains salt. So I will add very little bit of salt. You can taste it and adjust the seasoning later. Now everything we have to mix together. After mixing everything together, I will transfer this to a serving bowl. See, in no time our healthy, yummy and yet very filling salad is ready. You can serve this for a lunch, even for the dinner. It is our tasting time now. Let me just try a little bit. It's really very nice. That has this lemon tanginess, and it has the chaat masala, which is giving you that chatkara taste. Oh, I love it. I love it. Do try out, guys. If you like it, give me a big thumbs up, and please do subscribe to my channel, and please do share my channel with your friends and family, and I'll see you next time with my next video. Till then, you guys take good care of yourself, eat healthy, stay healthy, and even you can follow me on Facebook and Instagram. I'll just give the link below in the description box. Bye bye.